Hey guys, Steve A14 here, and I got here a sniper rifle, and it's not much detail, but I'm going to paint it with fall camo. I'm gonna add a little detail here. I'll try to put a flashlight here. You got the scope. Let's just look at the outside for this. Okay, there you go. The sight. And here's the cool thing about this. I am using actual bullets. They're just empty casings. Chocolate milk. So 2 clips. They both fit 8 of these shells. .30-06 Winchester shells, and I have okay, so there's my doggy. Dog. No, it's not my dog. It's my auntie's, but got all these shells right here. Oh, I can see them. All the shells, and yeah. So let's see if I can load this up. Just made it out of cardboard and a piece of wood. So yeah, I'll make a video, post it, and I'll take suggestions on what to make once I get some supplies again. So 8 can fit in, and yeah. I'll make a video on when it is done. Shoot my dog, shall we? Max. Just getting scared. But yeah.